Alright guys, Ian here, Manorshide Media. So, upcoming crazy news is coming. This is going to be a short, and this is part of the news I'm going to bring out tonight to the channel. And we have in here something I've been waiting for quite some time. Not because I bought it. I just bought these, so these shipped fantastically fast. But since I've had the Roadrunner, it's got the wrong carburetors. So in these packages should be, and I'm sure they will be, my correct 1970 date correct Hemi 4-speed carburetors. Now they are packed amazingly well, which is super positive. Thank you, Jordan. Let's get these cracked. Oh, they are double wrapped, double packed, just the way I like it. It's the first time I've seen them in person, obviously. Wow. These carburetors are in perfect condition. They were packed just phenomenal. Oh, look at that. That is the rear carburetor because it has the choke on it. That is gorgeous right there. Holy moly. How mint is that? 47, 45S. There's a tag. We got the hot air choke stat. This is gorgeous for any Mopar people. This is poetry in motion right here. Cool. That's the rear one.